This is a quick video of how to change the oil on 2019 Ford Ranger. You can see we still have the wheel and tire on. You really only need to take off 3 of these clips here for the video. I went ahead and took off 5. This just pulls right down. And there's the oil filter. And under the oil filter, we can see there's a little drain there. And that runs into a drip pan, a little plastic drip pan that runs back behind the wheel well. And if we get under the truck real quick, we can see where that comes out. Right here. Hopefully you can see that. The oil drain plug is a 15mm, and I'm sure this is going to make a decent mess on this skid plate. But for the first oil change, I'm going to leave it on and see how much of a mess it makes. But if it's too messy, it's only 4 bolts to take it off. So, lesson learned. Go ahead and take off that skid plate, because it will make a mess. Especially if you're out of the garage and the wind is blowing. So you can see we have oil that came out all over the place. And just so you know, when you first take out the drain plug, oil will shoot out till about here. So make sure that your drip line is more like that. So, no big deal. I'll get that all cleaned up. Yeah, take a few minutes, do yourself a favor, and remove that skid plate. And the skid plate bolts are 15mm. So we'll see how our aim is. Very nice. I'll go ahead and wipe that out. Looks like our oil filter ring's stuck. Our new filter is an FL 910S. If anyone's curious, I do use just SuperTech full synthetic 5W30. I might catch some flack over that, but I've used this same oil in many turbo vehicles, everything from race cars to daily drivers, and never had a problem with it. So I'll stick with it. I will just put on my filter hand tight. Get one more wipe down.